Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score on Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply go and log in into your Citibank account. Go to citi.com and make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, go and open an account. Of course, for the mobile, it's going to be the same. You'll have to download the app if you don't have it downloaded. Then once you open it, you can sign in using user ID, Touch ID, or Face ID if you enable both. I've already made a video on how to open an account and do those stuff if you want to check, or register for an account if you don't have one yet. So once you log in into your account, and now we want to check our credit score. So normally, how do you check your credit score? Of course, as you can see, checking the credit score in the mobile app or online is free. And no matter how often you check it, your score won't be impacted. And you can view your progress at a branch, see up to 6 months of score history, not enrolled in Citi Online. Of course, you can register then to access your FICO or FICO. So right, the page is not accessible for some reason. Okay, let me try something and come back. So we'll have to access an article to show you because the link didn't want to open. If you're logged in, of course, and you click on, as example, just look for FICO score, and you should be logged in. That's why I told you to log in before. You'll be taken right away into the same page. But anyway, you can request your credit report. This article shows you how to request your credit report, and of course, from there you'll be able to know your credit score. So credits, your credits, of course, score inside the credit report, and of course if you are on your phone, as example, you'll have, as we said, to log in into your or open the application, then log in into your account. And here, as you can see, when in the home screen, as you can see, you'll find this FICO score. Just go and click on it, and then you'll be able, of course, once you click on it normally to check your FICO score. As you can see, you can also like access through services. Why not? So of course you can go here to services. Then I guess he probably clicked on credits management so you can view your FICO score. So once you click on it, of course, you'll be taken here to FICO score. Click on it again, and you'll be able then to see your score. And of course, you don't have to even go through services and etc. All you need to do, just click on this FICO score if you find this on your homepage, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.